So I got the walker from iLiving. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this thing assembled and then what the final product looks like, so you know exactly what to expect when your product arrives. Usually what you get, all the pieces, you don't need any tools to put it together. It all just kind of pops into place. What's cool about this brand is they send you a storage bag. Normally you just get the walker. You have to pay for this separately. Please include the storage bag for you. This brand does. So I think that is a nice little perk to getting this walker. Let's get this thing put together. Very easy. Just want to make sure that these are going to be on your outside like this. So it's going to be like this when you have it all set up. Kind of visualize it. So it'll pop this into place. And like I said, no tools. All pins that just pop into place. Pop that one on. We'll move into here. Oops. And we'll get this one popped on. So now that we got this all together, we can move on to getting the legs. So wheels are going to go in the front. You want the wheels on the outside as well, just to have a little bit better balance. So we'll do that on this side. Let's see here. Okay. That's into place. Move on to the other side, and this is into place. So now the final part is just putting on these back legs. Flip it around. And this thing is pretty light. I would say it's about 10 to 15 pounds, so you don't have to worry about it being too heavy to lift up. But it still does have some nice weight to it, so it's not going to bend on you or anything like that. It can support quite a bit of weight. But all right, so just like that, we got this thing fully assembled, and we are good to go. The bag is just Velcro, so all you got to do is flip this around. Go like that. I'll get this on there. Just like that, hanging on the front. And obviously, you can tighten it up a little bit better. I'm just kind of going quick here to show you what it's going to look like. But just like that, this thing is fully assembled for you. So I'm going to grab the camera, bring it closer, and get a better look at how this thing looks. So here's what the finished product looks like for the walker. I now have that bag on straight. It was a little crooked in the last video, but overall I love how easy you can fold this and unfold it. It takes seconds if you need to transport it. Also, like I said, the storage bag is an awesome perk. It velcros from the back, but you could flip it around as well if you want that storage on the front. But overall, awesome walker. I give it 2 thumbs up.